Hello and welcome to CMA AI Training Center in Central Texas. I'm Dr. Saran, the director of this innovative program. Today, I want to introduce you to our cutting-edge approach to certified medical assistant training, where AI integration is transforming the way we prepare future healthcare allies and professionals. The healthcare industry is evolving rapidly, and AI is playing a crucial role in shaping its future of hands-on practice and theoretical training. Our mission is to ensure that our students are not only proficient in traditional medical assistant skill, but are also prepared to work alongside AI-driven technologies. This training equips them to be more efficient in modern medicine, accurate and adaptable in clinical settings. One of the most exciting advancements in healthcare is robotic-assisted surgery. Here at CMA AI, we expose our students to the fundamental principles of robotics in medicine. While medical assistants may not perform surgeries, understanding robotic workflows helps them assist surgical teams more effectively, real-time practices, and improving patient outcomes. AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, enabling early detection of conditions that might otherwise go unnoticed. In our program, students learn to work with advanced simulation technologies tools, understanding how they can enhance patient care and reduce diagnostic errors. Predictive analytics allows us to move from reactive to proactive patient care. Our trainees are introduced to AI-driven monitoring systems that identify at-risk patients early, allowing for timely patient management. To deepen anatomical understanding, we integrate augmented reality into our training. AR allows students to interact with 3D anatomical models, reinforcing their knowledge from setting up the IV lines to breakthrough diagnostics and practices in a more engaging and immersive way. Electronic health records, EHR, are central to modern healthcare. AI helps streamline documentation, reduce errors, and support decision-making. At CMA AI, students are trained to work with AI-powered EHR systems, improving efficiency and patient safety. Now, let's take a look at our hands-on training sessions, where we bring these concepts to life. One of the most immersive components of our enhanced training is virtual reality or VR. So let's try it. Go ahead, put it on.
This looks so real.
It does, and it's just part of our immersive comprehensive training program. Beyond VR, our training integrates AI-assisted diagnostics, robotic system, and predictive analytics, ensuring that our students are prepared for the evolving landscape of healthcare. They don't just learn the traditional tasks of a medical assistant, they gain the skills to work alongside cutting-edge technology, improving efficiency, accuracy, and patient outcomes. At CMA AI, we are not just training medical assistants, we are preparing the future of healthcare. AI integration into medical training is no longer optional, it's essential. Our graduates live here with a competitive edge, ready to contribute to an industry that is embracing technology for better patient outcomes. If you're passionate about healthcare and want to be at the forefront of this transformation, we invite you to join us at CMA AI Training Center. Let's shape the future of healthcare allies education together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at CMA AI Training Center.